In this video, I will compare two of the most sought-after compact vehicles on the market, the 2023 Honda Civic and the 2023 Toyota Corolla. These vehicles are similar yet distinct, like two sides of a coin. Both are well known for their dependability, fuel efficiency, and comfy interiors. But which one eventually comes out on top? This video will reveal these cars' hidden gems as we compare their exterior design, interior infotainment, technology, and more. Grab your popcorn and let's dive straight into the action. Price is always an important consideration when choosing your drive. Talking regarding those greenbacks, you generally need to have $26,145 to own the basic Civic and $22,465 for the basic Corolla. When it comes to the Honda Civic, you have the choice between the sleek sedan or the sporty hatchback. And with three basic trims to choose from, there's a Civic for every budget. The entry-level sport trim, starting at $26,145, comes with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and all the bells and whistles you need to hit the road. But if you're looking for a little more oomph, the EX trim, priced at $27,545, offers a more powerful engine and a host of added features like a moonroof and heated seats. And for those who want the ultimate luxury experience, the Touring trim, starting at $31,145, comes loaded with a 9-inch digital instrument display, leather seats, and a Bose sound system. On the other hand, the 2023 Toyota Corolla offers a different driving experience with its sedan, hybrid, and hatchback models. The LE trim, starting at $22,645, is the most affordable sedan option in the lineup, while the SE hatchback, priced at $24,100, is the lowest priced hatch. And for those who want to go green, the Corolla Hybrid LE, starting at $23,895, is the most budget-friendly option in the hybrid lineup. The lineup's maxed out at $26,700 for the sedan, $26,430 for the hatchback, and $26,600 for the hybrid. But if you're looking for something truly unique, check out the new GR Corolla, inspired by Toyota's Gazoo racing team, starting at $36,995. Regarding the exterior design, the 2023 Honda Civic and the 2023 Toyota Corolla present two distinct options for consumers. The Honda Civic possesses a sporty and sleek look with sharp lines and a bold front grille that gives it a strong road presence. The Civic's design is modern and elegant, yet aggressive as in the first glance. It looks to be a sleek and sophisticated machine that is sure to turn heads on the road. If we move towards the front, there is a stunning new grille that gives it a lower and more aggressive stance, and the front headlights and DRLs sure add a touch of modern style. The car's profile is also sportier, with the A-pillar being displaced down 1 inch and 2 inches back. This gives the car a longer hood and a wider front view, making it look even more powerful and dynamic. Moreover, the new model has new, smaller LED taillights that complement the front headlamps perfectly, giving the Civic a unique and distinctive style that will make you love and cherish your ride daily. On the other hand, the Toyota Corolla has a more conservative design with a low and wide stance that gives it a sense of power, while the unique honeycomb mesh grille adds a touch of elegance. The car's side profile is accentuated by its curved edges and 18-inch alloy wheels, which are available on higher trims for an even sportier look. The rear of the car is just as striking, with sleek LED taillights and a dark gray metallic spoiler and diffuser that add an athletic touch. Overall, the Toyota Corolla's exterior design is sure to turn heads and make a lasting impression on the road. Once you are done admiring the absolute beauty of both of these beasts, the interior of the car is where you will be going to spend all the time of your daily commutes. Honda and Toyota have both done exceptional work here. Civic offers 5-person seating with top-notch comfort that combines the domains of functionality and attractiveness. The vents below the elevated display screen have a distinctive mesh treatment built into the sleek interior design. The controls for temperature and airflow are situated directly below. The seats are comfortable, the leg and headroom are ample, and long journeys seem to pass in minutes. The interior cabin of the 2023 Corolla seems to be a harmonious blend of form and function. The dashboard is sleek and modern, with a prominent touchscreen display that sits high on the dash. The choice of materials, including a combination of matte and gloss finishes, elevates the overall aesthetic. The seats are pretty comfortable, and you can upgrade to plush Softex simulated leather seats to further enhance the experience. Regarding infotainment, the 2023 Civic and 2023 Corolla offer a great set of standard and available options. Civic offers a 7-inch interactive color touchscreen for Sport and EX sedan and 9-inch screen for the Touring trim. You can use it to access navigation, songs, and much more. There is Bluetooth and Apple CarPlay support to free you of all the clutter of those wires. A powerful 180-watt audio system with 8 speakers sure gets your blood pumping with crisp sound and thunderous bass. Moreover, the 2.5-amp USB charging port ensures that your phone never dies out on a long commute. The 2023 Corolla also packs a powerful punch in the domain of infotainment. The 8-inch audio multimedia screen is standard among all trims, which comes loaded with the support of 6 powerful speakers. But if you want to go even a step further, then the 9-speaker JBL premium audio setup has got you covered on the Hybrid SE and XSE trims. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are also standard among all trims. Additionally, all your tech gadgets will never run out of battery thanks to the 2 front and 2 rear USB-C ports. Fuel mileage is an important consideration when choosing your daily commute partner. Both cars are known for their fuel efficiency, but there are some key differences between the two that consumers should be aware of when making a decision. The Honda Civic is available in various powertrain options, including a standard 2-liter 4-cylinder engine rated at 158 horsepower and 138 pound-feet of torque. The engine is supplemented with a continuously variable transmission, MCVT, and is rated to get up to 30 miles per gallon in the city and 37 miles per gallon on the highway. The Civic also offers a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that is rated at 180 horsepower and 177 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with an LLCVT and is rated to get up to 33 miles per gallon in the city and 42 miles per gallon on the highway for the EX trim, and for the Touring trim, these values come out to be 31 miles per gallon in the city and 38 miles per gallon on the highway. The Toyota Corolla is also available in a variety of powertrain options, including a standard 2-liter 4-cylinder engine on the LE and XSE that is rated at 169 horsepower and 151 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, and is rated to get up to 31 miles per gallon in the city and 40 miles per gallon on the highway. The Corolla also offers a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder hybrid engine that is paired with an electronic continuously variable transmission, an eCVT, and is rated to get up to 50 miles per gallon in the city and 43 miles per gallon on the highway with front-wheel drive. There is no doubt that the Toyota Hybrid is the standout in this segment. Warranty coverage is an important consideration when choosing between the 2023 Honda Civic and the 2023 Toyota Corolla, as it ensures your drive is viable for the long term and you don't need to spend extra money on accident repairs. The Honda Civic comes with a comprehensive 3-year, 36,000-mile limited warranty covering the car from bumper to bumper. Additionally, Honda offers a 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain limited warranty that covers the car's engine, transmission, and drive systems. This means that if any of these components fail during the warranty period, Honda will repair or replace them free of charge. Honda also offers a 5-year unlimited mile corrosion limited warranty that covers any rust or corrosion that occurs on the car's body and sheet metal. Toyota offers 36 months, 3 years, 36,000 miles of basic warranty, whichever comes first, complemented with 60 months, 5 years, 60,000 miles of powertrain, and 60 months, 5 years, unlimited miles of corrosion or perforation warranty. If you're opting for the environment-friendly hybrid option, then Toyota alleviates any of your worries regarding the battery for 120 months or simply 10 years. In terms of warranty coverage, both are evenly matched, and this factor alone should not sway you in favor of any of these cars. Resale value is important when choosing your ride, as it gives you financial security in the long run. Both cars are great in this domain. The Honda Civic is known for its strong resale value. According to Kelley Blue Book, the Civic is expected to retain an average of 57.5% of its value after 5 years of ownership, which is higher than the average for compact cars. The Toyota Corolla also has exceptionally strong resale value. According to Kelley Blue Book, the Corolla is expected to retain an average of 56.5% of its value after 5 years of ownership, which is also higher than the average for compact cars. In terms of resale value, the Honda Civic has a slight edge over the Toyota Corolla, but frankly speaking, no one takes an obvious advantage over the other. Both cars are known for their strong resale value and are likely to retain a good percentage of their original value even after 5 years of ownership. Now, let's put everything in a nutshell. The 2023 Honda Civic and the 2023 Toyota Corolla are both popular compact cars that offer a lot of value for their price. Both are known for their reliability, fuel efficiency, and comfortable interiors. Civic has more features and advanced technology, but at a higher price point. On the other hand, Toyota Corolla offers a more traditional and user-friendly design with a lower price point. It's always important to test drive both cars and compare them based on your own needs and preferences before making a final decision.